We got some breaking news, guys, and it's not transfer news. So, welcome back to the Cape Scouser channel. And in today's news, guys, something a bit different. So, a consortium led by Amit Bhatia are in talkings to purchase a minority stake in Liverpool. So, firstly, guys, a consortium is, I got it here for us. In simple football terms, FSG, the current majority owners, obviously a consortium, a team of wealthy investors buying into Liverpool. Ahmad Bhatia, the person leading that consortium, that investment group basically, and the Mittal family is the ultra wealthy family backers, financial backers behind the consortium. Or the consortium. So, guys, that's that complicated thing out of the way. So, it's basically just a wealthy group of investors, which is obviously great. So, the group is led by, I understand they're in active talks with FSG. Understand, nothing is finalized, but Liverpool is valued at 4.5. Okay. More on this. A bomber today looks like one of the India's richest family. Wow, $31 billion, crazy, is backing this investment group led by their son-in-law, which is Amit Bhatia, buying a significant minority stake in Liverpool. Okay. Amit Bhatia was previously co-owner and chairman and QPR. And yeah, guys, he left today, which obviously means that this deal could probably happen soon. After 18 seasons as director and co-owner of QPR, Amit Bhatia has agreed to transfer ownership into the club. So he's stepping down, guys. So obviously that means that this news could be like further down the line, and we think it's everybody, also just all the news reporters, group investors in talks to buy Liverpool in a small state. More on, let's see what Ben Jacobs said. Discussions, I think, finalized. If it's you're open to strategic partners to further position Liverpool's position for success, basically. So basically, what it means that he's gonna, or this group from Amit Bhatia is gonna invest or get a slight ownership in Liverpool, and they're gonna invest money into us. And that's gonna enable us probably to spend some money. But I'll go over that soon, guys. I have it over here. Yeah, I put everything in here and we've got what it means for Liverpool. But just before we get there, anything else? Yeah, more confirmation that Bhatia has left QPR. Yeah, so let's get into the actual details. So what does it mean if it's you are not selling Liverpool outright? Yep, it's a small minority stake. The club could be valued over 6 billion. Okay, nothing has been agreed. Okay. That basically means FSG almost certainly remains in control. If Liverpool would receive new investors with enormous financial backing, which is great. The new investors would likely have board representation and influence over not full control. That makes sense. I mean, they should know who they're buying, and okay, makes sense. Who is Amit Bhatia, British Indian businessman, son-in-law of a steel billionaire, which is that 31 billion valued family, former, yep, we know that. Experienced investor in sports, okay. Here we go, the Mittal family, who is kind of belongs to this family, one of the richest families in the world. Okay, how they did at QPR, this is where it get interesting, positive. They kept investing in the club, which is good. They supported new infrastructure, including plans for training ground, okay. And Amit Bhatia, QPR became more financially sensible after reckless years of spending. Okay, negatives, QPR never became Premier League powers, okay. Generally doesn't know what that means, okay. They really spent insurance fees, okay. But let's see what else it says. Does this mean Liverpool suddenly spent 300 million? Every summer, probably not. Okay. However, let's just go to this, guys. It could mean more money available when needed. So since it's a minority um stake, means that they could pump money into the club where we need to buy players now. And obviously, they could grow into the club. Obviously, FSG has been over the years looking for exit strategies, and this could be one of the wealthiest Indian families in the world. Yeah, less pressure to sell players before buying. That would be great. Easier funding for the academy. Okay, greater ability to compete with clubs backed by nation states, which is obviously like Newcastle, Man City, those teams. Um, why did anybody leave Cooper today? Yeah, because probably he's gonna come to Liverpool as a Liverpool fan. I rate is 4.5 out of 5, which is great, man. Why massive financial backing? Respected business people, FSG remain in charge, okay, could help Liverpool keep pace financially. Okay. So the only reason why they're saying it's not a 5 out of 5 is because it's a minority stake. And yeah, guys, I feel like I feel like overall this could be fine. This could be great for us because we could actually get this $1 billion family and they could invest into our club and buy. We could compete with like, okay, obviously we made big signings last season, but maybe we need this because FSG doesn't really spend a lot, as we know, guys. We always sell and then we buy. Last season was a bit different, but now maybe FSG feels like, yeah, they spend so much money. We may be looking into get an investor, and here comes this rich family. So that could be good news for Liverpool. FSG initially selling a minority shares, brilliant news is a better move for more ambitious. I've also seen on Twitter basically that all the QPR fans said they care about the club. Like I'll actually show you guys. I'm going to the post where they QPR actually said this. See, there's already one comment. This makes me sad. So that's already good. If the fans like the owner, that's good. Personally, feels it's a good thing. What do I know? Thanks. It's already, guys. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Everything you've done for that. Genuinely cared about the football club that this is not a good day, but thank you. It's a great day for us. Sorry, QPR fans. But thank you for everything. Guys, that's only like 3 out of the first 5 comments, all positive. And you know, when it comes to owners, how everyone can get a bit shaky. But guys, let me know what you think in the comments about this. What do you guys think is like, are you guys happy with this? Do you guys think we're going to spend like a lot of money? What do you guys think? I feel like this is quite exciting. I feel like this could be a move where Liverpool, like maybe we can sign the Olise. Imagine we can sign Olise with the money, but obviously he wants to go to Real Madrid. And just imagine like a Vinicius or Kvaratskhelia or something. Maybe we're gonna buy Bako like immediately now, but obviously it's still in talks. So we'll see, guys. I'll keep you up to date with what's gonna happen following this news. Hopefully, I mean, I want them to buy to get the stake in us, but we'll see. So yeah, let me know in the comments, guys, what you think. Make sure to like this video if you guys like these type of videos, this analysis type of things, I guess. But yeah, I'll be obviously coming with more preseason news or just reactions or predictions. We'll see, guys, but I'll keep you guys posted with the latest transfer news as well. And I posted career mode videos, rebuild videos. Make sure to check the channel out, guys, if you enjoy that. But until next time, yeah, I'll see you guys next time.